Hey Sweet Tooth Squad, welcome back to Travel's Highlights. If you're in Toronto in 2025 and craving pastries that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance, stick around. Today, we're counting down the top 5 bakeries in the city, and trust me, these places are not your average donut stops. We're talking flaky croissants, rustic sourdough, pillowy buns, and cakes that could make you cry happy tears. So let's not waste a second. Here are the 5 best bakers in Toronto for 2025. Number 5, Bomou. Let's kick it off with Bomou, a modern pâtisserie with the vibes of a Parisian café and the heart of Toronto baked into every item. You walk in and you're hit with the smell of buttery brioche and fresh espresso. It's a full sensory experience. Their croissants are textbook perfect, and their signature vanilla millefeuille? Absolute showstopper. Everything's elegant but approachable. Whether you're grabbing a box for brunch or treating yourself on a Tuesday, Bomou is always a good idea. Think of it like the Prada of bakeries, clean, classy, and never out of style. Number 4, Ba-Noi. At number 4, we've got Ba-Noi, and this one's a total curveball in the best way. This Vietnamese-French fusion bakery has been turning heads with its unique take on traditional baked goods. Their pandan chiffon cake is light as a feather and the ube ensaimada? Insanely good. It's like your grandma's recipes took a gap year and came back fluent in flavor. The vibe is warm, the staff treats you like family, and the baked goods feel like edible hugs. If you're hunting for flavor with a twist, Ba-Noi's where you go. Number 3, Castle & Cole. Coming in hot at number 3 is Castle & Cole, and this place is as dramatic as the name sounds. Here's the deal, rustic meets refined. Their wood-fired sourdough is legendary, crispy on the outside, airy on the inside, with that deep fermented flavor you only get from true artisan baking. And don't sleep on their chocolate rye cookies, sweet, salty, rich, and unforgettable. The interior's got those dark cozy tones, a bit industrial, a bit magical. It's the kind of place you stumble into for a loaf and leave with a bag full of things you didn't plan on buying. Number 2, HV Bakery. At number 2, HV Bakery is the crowd favorite you didn't know you needed. This place is all about small batch baking with big-time flavor. They specialize in laminated doughs, which means their Danish pastries have more layers than a Christopher Nolan movie. And their brown butter koenamen? Literal perfection. Everything's made fresh daily, the vibe is cozy but stylish, and their seasonal specials keep regulars coming back week after week. This is your go-to if you want the best pastries without the long line of tourists. Locals love it, and once you try it, you will too. Number 1, Bartholome Bakers. Taking the crown at number 1 is none other than Bartholome Bakers. This spot is a full-blown baking temple. We're talking next-level creativity, precision, and flavor that hits like a freight train. From their signature pistachio rose cake to the insanely good salted miso caramel tarts, everything feels crafted with purpose. It's got that balance of Instagram-worthy looks and true flavor. Not just pretty food, good food. Their head baker is a genius, constantly pushing boundaries while staying grounded in classic techniques. This place isn't just a bakery, it's a reason to visit Toronto. So there you have it, Toronto's top 5 bakers in 2025. Whether you're all about flaky pastries, crusty loaves, or bold flavors from across the globe, this list has something that'll hit the spot. Got a favorite bakery in Toronto we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments, let's keep the recommendations rolling. And if you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a crumb from Travel's Highlights.